How to check your important security settings. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your important security settings on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on the setting icon up there and click on the second option, which is password and security. And here click on check your important security setting, and they will take you through some steps to help protect your account. And this is it. You can click on fix now and start the steps you're gonna give you, and or your password is okay. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.